In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Inbox in Asana. Think of your Asana Inbox as your command center for staying on top of work without digging through emails or switching between projects. It collects updates from tasks you're assigned to and tasks you follow, so you can quickly see what needs your attention and respond in the moment. Start by opening your inbox. From the left sidebar, click Inbox, and you'll land on a feed of recent activity related to your work. This is where you'll see new comments, status updates, due date changes, and task assignments. If you're collaborating across multiple projects, this view brings everything together in one place, which is especially helpful at the start or end of your day. Take a moment to scan what's new. Items near the top are typically the most recent changes, and you can treat this like a running timeline of your team's activity connected to you. Next, refine what you're looking at using the filter icon. You can switch to all to review every update tied to tasks you follow or are assigned. Use @mentioned when you need to focus on conversations that call you out directly. Great for catching requests that require your input. And pick Assign to Me when you want a clear view of notifications about tasks that you personally own. This simple filtering helps you triage quickly. Start with Assign to Me for ownership, jump to @mentioned for collaboration, and return to all to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. When something needs action, click the notification to open the related task right from your inbox. You won't be taken away from the inbox experience. Instead, the task details open alongside your feed. From here, you can reply to comments to keep the conversation moving, provide updates, or ask clarifying questions. You can also adjust the due date if timelines shift, use the date picker to set a realistic target, and if the work belongs with someone else, reassign the task to the right teammate. All of this happens without leaving inbox, which means you can move from one item to the next with minimal friction and keep your momentum. As you work through notifications, keep your focus on clarity and speed, respond where needed, update ownership and deadlines as plans evolve, and then move on to the next item. With just these three habits, opening inbox, filtering your view, and taking immediate action, you'll turn your Asana inbox into a powerful daily workflow that keeps you informed, responsive, and confidently in control of your tasks.